Oil daily forecast, December 23rd, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude contract on the daily chart managed to squeak out a small gain, as you can see on the light volume Thursday session. The markets are generally quiet so close to Christmas at this point, but the bias has certainly shifted to the upside over the last couple sessions. The potential for a downward channel is still there, as I will draw it out here. However, there is also potential that we are seeing a bullish flag form. Quite frankly, we need to see it break in one direction or another to make that decision. The geopolitical risk in the Middle East are currently pushing this market around, as there have been bombings in Baghdad, and of course the tensions with the Iranians and the show of military forces they've done here recently, looking like they want to shut down the Straits of Hormuz. The truth is, not much will come of it more than likely, but as long as the markets believe there's a potential for it, there's of course going to be some tension and upward pressure. The setup is, if we can break above this channel, that's actually a sign that the bullish flag may have broken to the upside, and we have quite a ways to go at that point. If we break down, then we just look for a continued move to the bottom of the channel. Currently, we have a slightly bullish opinion of this market, but are willing to let the breaking of the candle in whichever direction dictate our next move, as nothing's proven yet. Of course, more than likely, we're just going to stay flat until the volume picks up after the New Year's holiday. Looking at the Brent markets, you can see that we've slammed up into some resistance right in the heart of this big cluster here. So now the question becomes, this big cluster, was it just simply a fake out, or was it really a little bit of a head and shoulders, as we had discussed the possibility of it being earlier? We are right at the point where we pretty much have to make it or break it. So having said that, we think there's a lot of noise up here that's going to be very difficult for this market to overcome. With this in mind, we are slightly bearish. The breaking of the lows from Wednesday would be the breaking of a hammer, and that would get us a little bit more interested in shorting this market. Again, though, the volume's going to be light. It's probably not going to move too much on Friday, and as a result, we will probably wait until the following week to put some type of position on looking forward. Of course, if we break higher, it is a bullish sign, but there's a lot of noise for it to get through, so we would probably pass on a long at this point.